Shinker's highly regarded gaming brand, XMG, has recently made an exciting announcement regarding its latest APEX series laptops. In a surprising move, the APEX lineup will now serve as the entry-level range, a position previously occupied by the core line. However, despite this change, the newly introduced M23 variants are expected to deliver impressive performance levels within the mid to upper mid-range category. One of the key factors enabling this elevated performance is the inclusion of graphics options with a 115 watts TGP. In addition to the substantial 115 watts TGP, the dynamic boost feature further enhances the power potential of these laptops, allowing for an additional increase of up to 25 watts. This means that the mobile RTX 40 series graphics cards in the XMG APEX laptops can achieve a maximum power rating of 140 watts. By incorporating these high-performance graphics options, XMG aims to provide gamers and content creators with an enhanced gaming and computing experience. The increased power enables smoother gameplay, faster rendering times, and improved overall performance for resource-intensive tasks, such as video editing and 3D rendering. In addition to its performance enhancements, the XMG APEX series introduces notable changes and upgrades that go beyond a simple refresh. The laptops come with a revamped chassis that brings significant improvements in cooling, addressing one of the crucial aspects of gaming laptop appearance. Efficient cooling is essential to maintain optimal performance during extended gaming sessions or resource-intensive tasks. The upgraded cooling system in the APEX series ensures that the components remain cool under heavy workloads, minimizing the risk of thermal throttling, and allowing the hardware to consistently perform at its best. Another standout feature of the APEX series is its user-serviceable appearance. This appearance philosophy acknowledges the importance of customization and upgradability for gamers and enthusiasts. The laptops feature dual DDR5 slots, which allow users to easily upgrade their RAM for improved performance. Additionally, the inclusion of PCIe Gen 4x4 slots provides the flexibility to upgrade storage options, enabling faster data transfer rates and enhanced overall system responsiveness. The user-serviceable appearance of the APEX series empowers users to tailor their laptops to their specific needs and future-proof their systems. It reflects XMG's commitment to providing a versatile and customizable gaming experience. The APEX 15 and 17 models, part of the XMG APEX series, come equipped with 144Hz 300 nit Full HD IPS matte panels. These displays offer a smooth and responsive gaming experience, with a high refresh rate that minimizes motion blur and enhances visual fluidity. With 90% coverage of the sRGB color gamut, these panels deliver vibrant and accurate colors, adding depth and richness to both gaming and multimedia content. In terms of connectivity, the APEX series laptops provide a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, ensuring fast data transfer speeds and compatibility with various devices. Additionally, separate headphone and microphone jacks are included, allowing for convenient audio input and output. Moreover, a full-sized SD card reader is available, providing users with a straightforward way to access and transfer files from their camera or other devices. Moving to the rear of the APEX M23 laptops, you'll find an HDMI 2.1 port and a mini-DisplayPort 1.4a. These ports support G-Sync, a technology that synchronizes the display's refresh rate with the graphics card's output, resulting in tear-free and smooth gameplay. The inclusion of these ports ensures compatibility with external monitors or gaming setups that rely on multiple displays. Furthermore, a Gigabit Ethernet jack is present, offering a reliable and fast wired network connection option for gamers who prefer stable and low-latency online gaming experience. It's important to note that the APEX 15 and 17 models lean towards the base model range, employing predominantly plastic construction. This choice helps maintain affordability without compromising overall durability and performance. While plastic construction may not offer the same premium feel as metal, it ensures a lightweight appearance that is easier to carry and handle, making the laptops more portable for gamers on the go. It's worth mentioning that retail models of the APEX 15 and 17 will feature keyboards with a more standard ISO layout and normal enter keys. This adjustment enhances user convenience and familiarity, ensuring a seamless typing and gaming experience for users accustomed to traditional keyboard layouts. The XMG APEX 17, with its impressive specifications and features, is set to be priced at €1,299. It offers excellent value for its performance capabilities, making it an attractive option for gamers and content creators seeking a high-performance laptop without breaking the bank. Similarly, the XMG APEX 15, with its comparable specifications and features, comes with a slightly higher price tag of €1,399. Both laptops provide a balance between affordability and high performance, catering to a wide range of users who prioritize quality gaming and computing experiences. Pre-order availability for the XMG APEX 17 and APEX 15 laptops will give customers the opportunity to secure these devices early and be among the first to experience their exceptional performance and features. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.